What's going on, guys? Southeast Softwash Monday. Today is the 9th, back at it. We're shipping out some stuff today, catching up the website orders, and this is something that's going out tomorrow. What we've got here is sort of a package. Now, we offer this. We've had it up for a while. What's inside this box here is a 5-gallon-a-minute Kraken gear-driven pressure washer. So that's one of our in-house models. It's what we use on our Lumimaxes and the Mini Pro Max, and even some of the trailers that don't go to an 8-gallon-a-minute. This will be what they have. So what you got in here is a whole bunch of goodies. There's an injector, there's a wand, there's hose for the pressure system. Everything's pretty much ready to go. All you got to do is hook it to a battery, and a surface cleaner as well. So there'll be a link down below. We've got a bunch, like right there's several of them ready, built up, but a lot of those are going to go on equipment. So I think we've got it limited to a quantity of half a dozen or something like that. We want to make sure that we don't run out, but we've got a bunch up there that we can assemble, and this is what it's going to look like. I'll throw in some B-roll. These three Lumimax Pros are getting built out today and probably finish up maybe late tomorrow, but it's the same system that we use on our personal wash rig. 5.5 gallon a minute. It is gear driven. I like that. I'd rather have a gear drive than a belt drive myself. So if you want to grab one, link down below. Also, I want to mention that we are doing a video tonight, so if you happen to catch this video today, we're going to go live here in just the next hour or so and talk about some pricing things as it relates to our upcoming event, WashCon. So if you guys want to come hang out with us in the shop in February, we'll have some equipment in here, but the big thing is a lot of training. So myself, Mike, Aaron, Justin, WashCon, link down below for that as well. So if you want to grab one, if you're in need of a good, this is sort of the Goldilocks size, 5.5 will get tons of work done. It's bigger than a 4. You're not quite stepping up to an 8 yet, but if you're ready to go pro and kind of get a lot of concrete done, this will definitely do it. I wouldn't try to take this and do a parking garage, but anything else residential, this is all you really need. Like I said, links down below. Check it out. We'll see you guys live in just a little bit on Justin's channel. All right, see you over there.